Okay guys, in today's video mag-unbox tayo ng ating package from new online shop na Timo. Okay, watch out. In today's video guys, mag-unbox tayo ng new package from new online shop na Timo. Ito yung app nila, i-open natin. Yung in-order natin, umorder tayo ng 5 item. Okay, itong lock, glue, flashlights, sling bag, at dito ako excited guys, itong dash cam. Kita nyo yan, yung dash cam. All for 465. Ang iba nito is 0. 0 yung babayaran natin. Itong mga dashcam, mura lang. Mura lang. Pero, depende yon sa promo, no? Depende yon sa promo kasi magkaiba yung promo. This is only for first time na user. So, i-unbox natin kung okay ba yung item, kung totoo ba o worth ba yung binabayaran natin na 465. Okay, unbox natin guys. Okay, so yung item na in-order natin. Okay, excited ako nito sa dashcam kasi medyo may kamahalan nito yung dashcam. Yung pinakamura nito I guess mga 1,000 plus. Okay, ito na yung dashcam. Woohoo! So all in all, it's only 465 pesos. So tingnan muna natin yung dashcam. Okay, mukha namang kumpleto, no? Kumpleto yung item. Okay, Okay. Okay, ito yung pandikit niya. Ito na yung dashcam. Tingnan nyo guys. Parang totoo nga, no? Parang hindi tayo na-scam nito. Okay. What's this? This is for dalawa yung camera. May camera din sa parang sa loob ito, so para sa gawas to. At okay, ito yung power supply niya, parang kompleto yung dashcam natin. So it remains to be seen, no, kung gumagana ba ito, no, later on i-install natin to. Okay, ang ibang item guys ay sling bag. Okay, mukhang okay naman yung sling bag. Tingnan nyo. Sport. Okay, kasi mahilig akong mag-sling bag kaya nag-order ako ng sling bag. Mukhang okay naman, no? Okay. And then yung ikatlong item. Yes, this is it. The door lock. Okay, I need this one, no? Para sa lock ng door. And then the fourth one is the powerful flashlight. Okay. Okay, this is it, no? Medyo magaan. I don't know kung may battery ba or ano ba dito? Rechargeable or may battery na o solar o ano to? It works, no? Wow. Okay, mukhang okay naman to. Ano ba to pag charge? Rechargeable or hindi ko alam. Pero importante, gumagana. Okay? And then the last is yung pandikit. So, sabi nito is mas matibay pa daw to sa welding machine. It remains to be seen pa rin, no? Made in China. Pero parang sa akin sulit tong in-order ko sa Timo na 465 for 5 items. Okay? So, I guess that's all for today, and then mag-update lang ko ng new video kung gumagana yung dashcam natin. That's all for today, and see you in my next video. you guys. Salamat yan. Yan.